What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove background noise in DaVinci Resolve. Whether it's a voiceover or a live recording, unwanted noise can significantly detract from the quality of your audio. Fortunately, DaVinci Resolve offers robust tools for cleaning up your audio, even in the free version of the software. The process begins in the Fairlight tab, DaVinci Resolve's dedicated audio post-production workspace. Fairlight provides a comprehensive set of tools designed for advanced audio editing, mixing, and restoration. Once you're in the Fairlight tab, locate your voice recording on the timeline. For this example, let's say our voiceover is on the audio channel number 1. To start the noise removal process, we'll need to access the channel's mixer panel. Here, you'll find the plus sign next to the effects section of your selected audio channel. Click on this to add a new effect. Click on this to add a new effect. Navigate through the menu to find the Restoration category. Under Restoration, select Noise Reduction. DaVinci Resolve's Noise Reduction tool is specifically designed to identify and eliminate unwanted background noise from your recordings. After selecting Noise Reduction, make sure to enable the Auto Speech mode. This feature optimizes the noise reduction process for voice recordings, ensuring that your speech remains clear and unaffected while the background noise is minimized. Now, it's time to preview your recording to hear the difference. Play back your audio clip with the noise reduction effect enabled, and you should notice a significant reduction in background noise. For comparison, toggle the effect off and on to appreciate the before and after. Removing background noise can dramatically improve the clarity and professionalism of your audio tracks, making your content more engaging and enjoyable for your audience. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.